told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I know me too long.
Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. And no, I didn't bought a new car or a new project car for a restoration. Actually this is my daily, and I decided to share with you a few things about this car because I need to service also a few things. In this video I will show you how to replace a fog light. It's a really quick video, but I think it's really helpful because sometimes if you have also an Alfa, you also need to replace a fog light, which is also my case. So I decided to share with you how you can do it by yourself at home. This is like a 5-minute service. It's really easy. I need to service another things. Some of them I will show you in future videos. Of course, this will not be a restoration as I usually do. Actually, the Volkswagen Polo, it's like reaching to an end. I already have another car to start, but I want to finish the Polo first. So guys, let's see how to replace the fog light. I need to take the car to the MOT, of course, and I need to fix that. So let's replace that bulb. Guys, don't forget to subscribe because that will help a lot to continue to make this kind of videos. And don't forget to thumbs up if I help you somehow or if you like. So let's go. So to remove the bulb, you need to remove this cover. I will use, this kind of tool that you usually are used to remove, trims inside and things like that. But you can use a flat screwdriver. But I prefer this. I don't want to damage the paint or something, so I prefer to use this. And guys, I will share also a few things in this Alpha, so don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and as usual, see you soon. Stay tuned.